The secret consequences of eating bananas. Bananas are as much a part of the human experience as traveling or trading. Some evidence suggests that we've been eating them since around the same time we evolved to do both, which is over 6,000 years ago. And, despite the fact that our daily lives have changed dramatically over the millennia, bananas remain a constant, and with good reason. When you peel back the layers of the simple yellow fruit, you will find a slew of health benefits. 1. Your skin can become healthier. One medium banana has 13% of the daily manganese needs, according to Lisa Richards, nutritionist and author of the Conjada diet, which is a rather significant percentage for such a tiny, easy snack. She went on to say that getting enough manganese can help you have better skin because manganese is crucial for so, instead of spending money on pricey skincare, try investing in bananas. According to dietitians, there are 9 ways bananas can help. Building collagen, which gives you a young appearance and protects you from free radical damage that causes wrinkles. 2. Your colon will be grateful. A 2017 study published in Nutrition Bulletin discovered that bananas include something termed resistant starch, according to John Fox, nutritional advisor and managing editor at wellness blog The Insider. While starch may appear to be a negative, something we strive to avoid in excess, this resistant starch, according to Fox, helps promote the creation of short-chain fatty acids. Short-chain fatty acids have a critical role in colon health, he noted, so the more you produce, the healthier your colon will be. 3. Muscle cramps can be avoided. Bananas are high in important electrolytes, which can help the body stay hydrated and balanced, she explains. When the body's mineral balance is off, we can start to experience negative side effects like muscle cramping. That is to say, all those years of eating bananas on the sidelines of high school football games were not for naught. Here are 21 high potassium foods to keep your muscles healthy and strong, in addition to bananas. 4. They can neutralize the salt in your diet. The potassium levels in bananas, according to Celine Beachman, Director of Nutrition at the Institute of Culinary Education, are important for general nutritional health, especially if you're consuming too much salt elsewhere. Bananas are high in potassium, a vital nutrient that helps to counteract the detrimental effects of salt, she said. Having a good quantity of potassium in your diet is wonderful for your heart health and blood pressure, helping to minimize the risk of strokes and heart disease, said Drive. 5. They can encourage you in losing weight. Despite its unfavorable reputation, the fruit can actually aid in weight loss due to the fiber and antioxidant content. This was backed up by Danielle Drapeau, the originator of Shaping Young Taste Buds and a certified health coach. Bananas are strong in fiber, which slows digestion and makes you feel fuller for longer, hello appetite management, while also regulating bowel motions, she explained. This makes a banana the ideal snack for when you're hungry in between meals. 5. They can encourage you in losing weight. Thank you for watching.